Weatherman speak with forked tongue. Yellow ball in sky. Scare a buffalo. Make skin feel good. Liars. I'm telling you, we have the worst weathermen on the planet. Gonna rain all day today. Gonna be cloudy and gray, miserable, rainy all day today. Yep. Here's the electrical box. This is my heavy wire that I planned on running 3 other receptacles on. This wire here runs that one right there. And here's the wire coming in. This is the ground. There's some pretty heavy wires coming in here. This is the wire that runs all the lights in the overhead door, and it connects to this fuse. And it looks like I have room for another fuse in here. Another breaker. I keep saying fuse, but that's because I was born in 1960 and we had fuses then. So I believe I've got more electricity coming in here than I thought. I think that's 80 amps of electricity coming in here. I'm almost positive it's 80. And here's why, because where it's coming from, well, you know what? I'll have to stop and go and show you where it's coming from. This right here used to be a mobile home, is a pad for a mobile home. There used to be a single wide here. And walk over here and show you the electrical box. They pulled the mobile home out and used this box to run electricity over there to the garage. There's the old sewer pipe. There's the water that they used to have connected to the mobile home. It was a small 1-bedroom, but surely they had to have 100 amps going to it. Boy, that's messy. I think actually this is the wire here that's got the bit of red on it. That's the wire that goes over there to the shop. So I don't know, maybe somebody who knows electricity has got a breaker that's coming out. Huh. I don't know what that goes to. Maybe this light up above me. Yeah, that's what it is, this light up above me. This is on a pole and there's a light up above me, so anybody can figure that mess out, let me know. I am not electrically inclined, and I gotta be honest, electricity kind of scares me. And I know I should not be afraid of electricity because I do a lot of stuff with electricity, but I make sure it's off. Anyway, I'm fixing to go get me some 10-2 wire, 50 feet of it, 4 receptacles and boxes, outlets, and 7 sheets of OSB. And man, I'll tell you what, I'm making some real progress. I'm probably not going to get a whole lot more done today, but I'm going to have everything here. And tomorrow I got to bring Bev and my wife to their different doctors. One's got an eye appointment, and actually I think they both got eye appointments. And they'll be getting their eyes dilated, so I will have to drive. So tomorrow, Thursday, if you see this tomorrow morning, think of me. I'll be over in Shreveport fighting the beasts and driving amongst them. All right, got my wire, got my outlets, got my boxes, got a 30 amp breaker, right? 30? Yeah, 30. And I think I'm going to add the 30 amp breaker and put one outlet, and that is what I will plug my welder into. and or my plasma cutter. Okay. I got all the OSB I'm going to need. I have 2 more pieces over there to make 7. And I'm going to get them off onto my sawhorses. And then I'm going to start running my wire. Well, I just noticed something. I got to tie that down to the concrete and get my hammer drill out, and they got 1 bolt down here, right there, and nothing anywhere else. And then they got 2 joints. You got a joint here, and then underneath this one is a joint. So I'll probably put 2 here, 1 this side, 1 just that side of it, 1 in here, and probably 1 in the middle there. I wondered why this, when the wind blew it, seemed to move. Now I know. Well, I got to do that before I can put my OSB up. So, crap. 1 more little diversion. And I'll think about what I want to do first here. Oh, well, hello. Come on up, help yourself. I wasn't doing nothing. I'm getting there. I had to get sidetracked with them cement anchors, but it's 3 o'clock, and I think I can get 1, 2, 3 more pieces up. And that's a heck of a good start right there. And I tell you what, well, I can't do it tomorrow, but I'm going to paint this and be done with that. And the electrical will be done and everything. I'm going to paint it white. You know, white, like everything else, of course. And then over here, I'm trying to figure where I want to put my drill press and my bench grinder. I think I'm going to put my drill press here, or maybe in the middle, and then my bench grinder on. No, I'll tell you what, I want to get it on. I got to keep thinking about it. That's why I'm not doing this yet. I gotta do some thinking on that. But I'll have these 3 pieces up tonight. I'm putting the boxes in before I put them up. This is the last box. So the next piece, I just gotta probably cut it on that side, and that piece, I'll have to cut it on this side. And not a bad day's work, if I do say so myself. All right, I'm gonna finish this water and put this one up. That is all I'm good for today. My goodness. Oh. Yep, long day. And I have decided, I did get another breaker, 30 amp, and I'm going to have these 3 on the 30 amp, and I'm putting 2 more boxes there and a 3rd here, and that will be on a 40 amp, and I will have plenty of outlets. And the toolbox will be going in between this outlet and that outlet. This toolbox, the big one. Okay. I can't even walk home. I'm gonna take a break and go feed my cat. Shut everything off. Tomorrow's gonna be a rainy day, plus I gotta schlep the girls around tomorrow. Not slap. I gotta carry them all over town, do errands, go to doctors. Fun stuff. Okay, I'll be back tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Friday. I don't even know if I got enough to upload. And it's not a big enough difference. I'll go ahead and upload it. See you Friday, y'all.